Hello everyone, this is Kwon Se-hong from Daegu Arts and Culture Center. Now the first lesson today is infinite. In the first lesson you have to understand beats and notes. Now in music the beats vary. So what you need to know to maintain is 4/4 beat. So the first understanding is to understand the 4/4 beat. What is a 4/4 beat? It means that there are 4 quarter notes in a word. There are 4 words in one sentence. Now, when someone asked for a 4/4 beat in a word, you can clearly state that there are 4 quarter tables, which is a quarter master scholar. The second thing is, you have to express the master scholar of the quarter. As for how to use a table, when we express a quarter table, we must have said a lot in elementary school or national school that the way to express it was tan. Don't you remember? Come on. I don't keep talking. First, if the beat doesn't match, the second beat doesn't match, the third beat doesn't match, and the fourth beat doesn't match, it's not wrong. But if you just keep going through the language of this, you might not know which beat it is. That's why I call the first beat da'an one and instead of da'an. Now, second, beat the beat.
2N.
The third beat.
3N.
Fourth, the beat group is called po-an. So if you add it up only.
And 2 and 3 and
Po. So this is how we understand and express 4/4. The third thing is let's play what we express as objection. How do you play? Now, to put it simply, you can play 4/4 with javelin applause. I understand, I expressed it. Then, if you understand the words and put together what you expressed, you want.
N 3N.
Tone can make sounds like this, right? This is what you just played in 4/4. Try it.
10,000 yen. Yen.
Jin. Jeja, now that you understand this step, shall we try to express it?
Nanganan.
We're just playing the 4th quarter beat. It's so easy. If you understand, express and act on the 4th quarter beat like this, you will understand it naturally. The quarter note was 1 yen. What is the second note? Now in the 4th beat, the second note is hum. What is the second note? 1 quarter note is an 8th note. Now, there are 8 fractional notes. There's a quarter note and there's an 8th note, and the 8th note is the same. Finish.
N 3N.
Canon. How is it different?
1 and 20 yen.
What about the 4 quarter notes?
1 and 40 yen. 2N.
The 8th note is the same as speaking and acting, right?
You know what?
Now we can clap this for 3 minutes. Applause 1.
And 5N.
Owen, these 4 minutes became an expression. The 8th note is the same in speaking. The expression is the same, but the behavior is different. Okay, I get it. Now the quarter note is hit 1 and the 8th note. The second one. If it is based on 1 beat, the 8-minute mark has to be struck twice to make it 1 beat. Now, you have to understand the last 16 minutes. The 16-minute ticket has 2 tails. The 8-minute mark has a tail. The 4-minute mark has no tail. The 16-minute ticket has 2 tails. 16-minute notes are 16-minute notes in 1 sentence. There are 4 tables for 46 quarters, 8 times 8 and 8 times 8. 16 sasa 16, those 16. Now, how do you express 16%? 1 answer contains a wave in 1 answer.
Taenta.
That's right, 1 answer is 1.
Taenta.
The second beat is 2.
Taenta.
Third, the beat is 3.
Taen.
If you hit it, 1 ta-ta. The 8th minute mark is also 1, and why do the 8-point table and the quarter table have the same speaking? The quarter table was originally tongue to 34 or 1.
2, 3.
Po, aren't you so wrong? But in the middle, by saying the word Andre next to it, it means that you can have the conditions to maintain a certain rhythm. So the quadrant and the octave are the same expression. Behavior is different. A quarter of the vote is 1.
2, 3, 4.
Japanese yen.
Mr. 1 to 1.
8 minutes. The 16th minute is marked, the 4th minute is marked, the 8th minute is marked, and the 16th minute is marked by me.
If you connect 1.
Shall we try it?
So 1/4 vote.
2 8 minutes equals 4 16 minutes. If the 4-minute mark is 1 and 1 second, the 8-minute mark should only be played at 0.5 seconds, and the 16th minute mark should only be played at 0.5 seconds. It's a second. Music is time, art. Now, if you can continue to express, speak, and applaud the 3 things you are learning today, and if you can point them out consistently, the beat will seep into your mind and body, and you can hold the stick naturally.
Yeah.
I wonder if it doesn't happen. In the next hour, we will now have a silver mark and a comma in. If you are voting for a quarter and voting for a quarter, will you use your right hand first? Now, there is a formula for whether the left hand will do it first. I'll bring that formula with you. Thank you.